family, so we've talked about this quite a bit in some past videos in regards to there being such a variety of hair textures out there. And with every hair texture, you have to have your unique maintenance hair care for optimal growth and healthy hair promotion. So when it comes to taking care of your hair, you have to be specific in how you're doing it. You can't take care of oily hair the same way you would take care of dry hair. You can't take care of kinky hair the same way you would take care of straight hair. So there needs to be unique maintenance hair care tips and tactics that you're using to promote hair growth. So that prompted me to start my series on daily, weekly, and monthly hair care tips for Afro hair. So we've already talked about daily hair care for Afro hair. I'll link that video in the description box below. But today we're going to talk about weekly care for Afro hair. Hi guys, I'm Rolandine Vaughn of Naturally You Hair Products, where our sole mission is supplying you with hair products containing only 100% natural ingredients. We're talking about ingredients that you love, ingredients that you can recognize and that you can pronounce, ingredients that will not compromise your overall health. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can get more healthy hair tips weekly. All the links mentioned in this video will be in the description box below, and don't forget to wait to the end of the video where I will share with you which weekly hair tips I use for my Afro hair that have promote healthy hair growth for me. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Number one, you want to make certain you're washing your hair every week or every other week. And I say washing your hair, but I really mean washing your scalp. You want to remove all that buildup from your hair follicles to allow for healthy hair growth. Not only are you focusing on your scalp during wash day, but another important part of wash day is detangling. You need to start at the ends and work your way up to the roots. Never start at the roots and move down to the ends. That's going to just rip out your hair. And we don't want to cause breakage because we're trying to promote healthy hair growth. So definitely start from the ends and move up to the roots. I have two videos on natural hair wash day and how to detangle, and I will link both of those in the description box below. Number two, you can pre-poo. So when I say pre-poo, that's short for pre-shampoo. That's coating your hair with a hair treatment like oils or creams to keep moisture in your hair during shampooing. Because sometimes when you shampoo, your hair can be stripped of all the moisture. So pre-pooing helps keep and retain that moisture in your hair on your wash day. Number three, you want to deep condition with heat. When you use deep conditioners and heat, what that does is it helps that condition treatment penetrate through the hair strands and allowing, of course, for a longer effect of conditioning of your hair. You want to also deep condition every time you wash. So be it every week or every other week. Number four, you want to use and wear low manipulation styles, i.e. protective hairstyles like braids and twists and buns and bantu knots. And what this does, it keeps your hair out of your hands out of your hair, so you don't cause breakage by over manipulation. And these are cute styles too. And I have a video on protective styles. Well, not really a video. Maybe I should do a video on protective styles. But I do have a link to a recommended video on protective styles that I will put in the description box below. So let's now talk about the weekly hair care tips that I consistently use on my Afro hair. So I'm always washing my hair. I won't say always. I try to wash my hair every 2 weeks. Sometimes it might stretch to about 3 weeks depending on my schedule. But on average, I'm washing my hair every 2 weeks. And of course, I'm using Naturally You Hair Growth Shampoo that has a twist top that makes it easier to apply the shampoo directly to my scalp. So of course my hair is getting washed in the process, but my focus once again is my scalp, because I need to remove all that buildup from my scalp to allow my hair follicles to work and to promote healthy hair growth. Also with our shampoo, it moisturizes your hair as it's cleansing. So no need to worry about hair stripping with our shampoo, because it's packed with good moisturizing, all natural ingredients like African black soap, coconut oil, fenugreek, eucalyptus, peppermint, and the list goes on and on. The second weekly hair care tip that I consistently use is deep conditioning. So after with every wash, I'm deep conditioning religiously. And of course, I'm using Naturally You deep conditioner for dry hair. And our deep conditioner is unique because you don't need heat. When it comes to our deep conditioner, it's so intense that it penetrates the hair strands immediately without heat application. So you can X that step out of your wash day and just apply our deep conditioner to get all that good moisturizing conditioning that your hair strands need. And finally, my last weekly hair care tip that I'm consistently using for my Afro hair is I'm wearing low manipulation hairstyles, protective hairstyles, like buns and bantu knots and braids and twists. But my go-to, I love this hairstyle, are two-strand twists. In fact, I have a video on why wear hair twists, and I'll link that in the description box below. But with two-strand twists, you get the versatility. Of course, you get the protection. And I mean, it's just so low maintenance. I love it. Click that Naturally You link below to order your 100% authentic natural hair care products that will help you with your weekly hair care tips for your Afro hair. You can also read up on all of our products and customer testimonials on our website. I really hope this video helped you. And if you have any hair questions or concerns, just leave them in the comment section below and we'll talk about them. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you can get more healthy hair care tips weekly. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.